Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some tips to help fix your microphone echoing on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So I have this headset, the Stealth 700 by Turtle Beach, and I absolutely love this headset. However, on the PlayStation 5, sometimes I can get some echoing issues. How can I go ahead and fix this? Now, one of the most common issues for echoing on the PlayStation 5 would have to be the built-in microphone on the controller itself. So what happens is you're picking up the microphone on your controller and it's not switched over to the microphone on your headset. So let's go over to my PlayStation 5 real quick. Press the PlayStation button, open this up, then go to microphone right here and select X on this. Now at the top it says wireless controller mic. Let's switch this to my USB headset. Now you may be using a headset that's connected directly to the controller, which is absolutely fine. Now let's go down to adjust mic level and make sure this is directly in the good section. And it's not too high. So make sure this is pretty much right in the middle and it's not way too loud where you're going to be hitting the end of it, because this will pick up any kind of button clicks if you have music playing in the background or if someone's talking. If it's still too loud, make sure you lower your microphone sensitivity. Now another reason you may be having echoing is because your microphone level is adjusted too loud and is too sensitive, or you have your volume on your headset being picked up on your microphone. So your headset is just a little bit too loud and it's being picked up in your microphone. So lower the volume on here to reduce the echoing and reverb to your friends. And also be aware if this is happening on your TV too. If your TV volume is way too loud, well, obviously it's going to be picked up in your microphone. So lower your TV volume. Now on the home screen, let's go up to the settings section and then scroll down to sound. Then under here, we have microphone. Well, let's say we are using our controller microphone to speak to our friends, and sometimes we don't realize it, but it's not muted and it's actually turned on. Well, there's this cool option here called microphone status when logged in. We can actually mute our microphone when we log into our PlayStation 5. Now, before we go ahead and speak to our friends, we would have to go ahead and unmute our microphone. Now, what you can do is switch over to your controller microphone and make sure this is set to mute. So, if you go ahead and join a game of Call of Duty and you start playing music in the background and you don't realize it, no one in the game chat will hear you. Also, if we go to the left and then go to output audio and scroll down under here, if we go to enable 3D audio and uncheck mark this, sometimes this could be causing an echoing issue. So see if this would fix your problem as well, having this option being disabled. However, for me, I haven't noticed 3D audio giving me any problems. And one of the last things that you can go ahead and try is there is a reset hole on your controller located right here, just about in the middle of it. Go ahead and stick like a small pin in there and hold it down for about 6 to 10 seconds, and this will turn off your controller and completely reset it. So if you are having any problems with the software or anything like that, and is causing like a humming or buzzing or echoing when you have a microphone directly connected to the headphone jack, well, this could help fix that issue as well. So those are some tips that you can use to fix the mic echoing issue you've been having on your PS5. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.